next ride with. Hey guys, it's your boy Rudy here today. If you're on this page, guess what? So you're probably an Uber driver or Lyft, or Uber, Lyft or driver, or you're a rider. But what if the information you're gonna get today from this page is what is gonna put you to the roof as you step into 2020. You're gonna step into 2020. You realize this information you're getting from here today is crazy. I live in New York City, man, and it's easier for me to take a ride to and from work than to actually drive. Yes, I think it's even better to take a ride share than to drive, because come think about it, it's so crowded right here, right? Taking a ride is cheaper, it's easier for you to take a ride. Anyway, so I have both Lyft and Uber app on my phone. Yes, I have the two. Guess what? Because I'm looking for the cheaper option. Every time I'm leaving work, I'm leaving home, I'm looking for what is cheap. So I'm gonna take a ride, go home. But the weird thing is, I keep asking myself all this question, like, how can I actually make money when I'm riding? How is it possible for somebody to make money when somebody else take a ride? Is it possible for somebody to make money when somebody else is driving? I kept thinking about this, but I'm like, oh, it's not possible, right? But guess what? Something happened today. Oh man, something happened today. That's the reason why I'm really doing this video, because something happened today. It's a new company that just came into town. It's called Vibe Rides. The Vibe Rides, guess what they're doing? They said, you know what? They came to answer all the questions that I just asked. I said, is it possible for me to make money when I'm riding? They said, yep. Is it possible for me to make money when somebody else is driving? I said, yes. They said, is it possible for me to make money when somebody else is driving? They said, yes. I said, wow. They said you can earn money when you ride, earn money when you drive, and earn money when you override. Sounds crazy. What's override? I know about driving and riding. What's override? Okay, let's find out. It's kind of funny because riding, just they go out there, they have an app. Go to the Play Store. It's a free app to download the app. If you want to go to the web, you can activate your account by going to the web. Go to ridewithvibes.com. ridewithvibes.com. The code is 112952. ridewithvibes.com 112952. Hey, if you want to drive, if you want to say, you know what, I want to be a driver, I want to earn money with this thing, go to www.drivewithvibes.com. It's a free account. Go to drivewithvibes.com. They're going to ask you for a TSN number. TSN number is A1731342. We're going to say, how does it work? How different is it from Uber? Yes, it's different, because guess what? Vibe Rides, they said, you know what? We're going to give you 75% commission comes directly to you every time you ride, every time you're driving a customer, which means, for example, if a customer's ride is $100, right? They pay you $75 that comes to your account. Ooh, totally crazy, right? And $75 that comes to your account directly because you were able to ride. They get 75%. If you want to override, you say, hey, I want to override. An override makes you become a business partner, because you really want to take this as a business. You want to take this to become a business. Guess what? Go to www.vibeoverdrive.com. vibeoverdrive.com. The sponsor's name is Rudolph Marley. This guy right here. driveovervibe.com. That's what you're gonna do. Go today, create your account, get access to this thing, because it's really crazy. It just launched today, and with the drive, you being an overdrive, you're making 12.5% every time somebody else in your network, maybe your friends who are already drivers, give them access to this. Let them create a free account. They go out there and they drive. As they drive, you're making 12.5%. Is the craziest thing happening in 2019. As we go into 2020, is really crazy. And guess what? Your customers can actually, as your customers are riding, you make money when your customers are riding. Sounds kind of crazy, right? It means every time your customer is riding, even if you are not driving them, you are making money when your customers are actually riding. It means another driver is driving your customers, you are making money because you give access to the customer to make this. Enjoy your vibes, save money on your next ride with